Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to bust into your bathroom using a bobby pin. So there's nothing worse than being locked outside the most important room in your house. But hey, that's what happens when you have kids. So before we begin, remember, if you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and definitely give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment on the channel if you have any questions. So enough on that, let's roll into the footage. Alright, so what you're going to look for is if you have a doorknob like this and it has like a little hole at the bottom, you can usually take a bobby pin, and if you push straight in, it should activate the little button inside. So right now, take it in, it's locked, and push it in. There it goes. You can hear the button click. You don't want to get the bobby pin jammed in there. And that'll unlock the door for you if you have that style button in there. If you don't have a bobby pin, like a paper clip should help too. So that's basically all you need to do. Hopefully this video helps you out. You won't be SOL next time you need to use the bathroom. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.